Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 8. I'm Samina Akhter and I welcome you to NIEVS Homeschool. Today I'm going to take an English first paper class and this is our topic. See, our topic is from Unit-1 lesson 4 and 5. This is the topic from your half yearly term and this is lecture number 2 and SW also 2. My name is Samina Akhter and mobile number is given here. Okay, so let's see the pages from your book. Your book is English for today. So the lesson 4 is our ethnic friends too. Okay, so let's see here the pictures are given. In this picture you can see a woman weaving her clothes, and here the ethnic people's houses are given in the picture. So let's read, dear students. Most of these ethnic people living in Bangladesh have some common characteristics. They have their own lifestyle. They build their houses on bamboo or wooden platforms called machang. Rice is their staple food. They eat vegetables, maize and fish, poultry and meat. Their kitchen utensils are bamboo, wooden and earthen pots which they make themselves. Men wear lungis and women wear thamis or sarongs and angis. Women weave their own clothes. So dear students, here in this para it says the ethnic people of Bangladesh have some common characteristics or traits. They have their own lifestyle. They are different from the other nationalities in Bangladesh. They build their houses on bamboo or wooden platforms which are called machang. Rice is their main food. They also eat vegetables, maize which means corn, and fish, poultry and meat. Poultry here means the flesh of chicken or duck or geese. Okay, so their kitchen utensils are made of bamboo or wood or clay. So the names of their clothes are also given here, like lungi, and for women thamis or sarongs and angis. Okay, and women make their own clothes. Hunting and fishing are their favorite pastimes. They are fond of songs, music, dances, theater and fairs. Traditional musical instruments such as bugles are made from buffalo horns, drums and bamboo flutes. Wrestling is a popular sport for them. So here you can see the hobbies or pastimes of the ethnic people are given here, like hunting and fishing, and they are also fond of songs, music, dances. Okay, and some names of the musical instruments are also given here, like bugle which is made from buffalo horn, drums and bamboo flutes, and also they like wrestling as a sport. So dear students, we are going to do this B number exercise. Here you have to match the answers of the column B with the questions of the column A. So 1 number question, where do the ethnic people build their houses? Okay, the answer is in D, on the wooden or bamboo platforms. So in a complete sentence you have to say the ethnic people build their houses on the wooden or bamboo platforms. 2 number question, what are their favorite pastimes? The answer is E, fishing and hunting. Okay, so their favorite pastimes are fishing and hunting. 3 number, what is a bugle? Answer is A. So you have to say a bugle is a traditional musical instrument made from a buffalo horn. 4 number, what do the women wear? The answer is F. So you have to write that women wear thamis or sarongs and angis. 5 number, what are their kitchen utensils made of? And here is the answer B, and you have to say their kitchen utensils are made of clay, bamboo and wood. 6 number, what is their staple food? And the answer is C, rice, and you have to write their staple food is rice. C number, exercise we are going to do now, and here the clues are given. You have to fill the blanks with them. The tribal people follow their lifestyles. Okay, lifestyles. The platform they build their houses on is called machang. Okay, machang. Men wear lungi. Women weave their own clothes. Weave. Okay. Their staple food is rice. They are fond of songs, dance, music and fishing. Wrestling is their favorite sport. Okay, so let's get on with our next lesson, Bangladeshi cuisine. So you can see the pictures of some food on plates. These are common in Bangladeshi cuisine. So cuisine means the style of cooking in a particular region. Okay, the style of eating or the style of cooking food. So let's read. Bangladeshi cuisine is rich and varied with the use of many spices. We have delicious and appetizing food, snacks and sweets. So Bangladeshi food is varied. Varied means here diverse, okay, because we use a lot of spices and the foods are very delicious and appealing to our appetite. That means appetizing. Boiled rice is our staple food. It is served with a variety of vegetables, curry, lentil soups, fish and meat. Fish is the main source of protein. Fishes are now cultivated in ponds. Also, we have freshwater fishes in the lakes and rivers. More than 40 types of fishes are common. Some of them are carp, rui, katla, magur, catfish, chingri, prawn or shrimp. Okay, so shutki or dried fishes are popular. Hilsa is very popular among the people of Bangladesh. So in this para you can see a number of names of food given, like our main food is boiled rice, and we also eat vegetables, curry, lentil soup, fish and meat with rice, and fish is the main source of our protein, and we cultivate or we get fishes from ponds and fresh water and of the lakes and rivers also. More than 40 types of fishes are common in our country, like carp, rui, katla, magur, chingri, and also we are fond of shutki or dried fish. See here, panta ilish is a traditional platter of panta bhat. It is steamed rice soaked in water and served with a fried hilsa slice, often together with dried fish, pickles, lentil soups, green chilies and onion. It is a popular dish on the Pohela Boishak. Okay, you are all familiar of panta bhat or panta ilish. So let's see here. The people of Bangladesh are very fond of sweets. Almost all Bangladeshi women prepare some traditional sweets. Pitha, a type of sweets made from rice flour, sugar, syrup, molasses and sometimes milk, is a traditional food loved by the entire population. So we are very familiar with pitha, all kinds of pitha, and pithas are made from rice flour, sugar, syrup, molasses. Molasses also means jaggery or the sweetener, which is made from sugar cane juice or juice of dates. Okay, so during winter, Pitha Utsav, meaning Pitha festival, is organized by different groups of people. Sweets are distributed among close relatives when there is good news like birth, weddings, promotions, etc. Sweets of Bangladesh are mostly milk based. The common ones are Rasgulla, Sandesh, Rasmalai, Gulab Jamun, Kalo Jamun and Chom Chom. There are hundreds of different varieties of sweet preparations Sweets are therefore an important part of the day-to-day life of Bangladeshi people. Okay, so here we get a vivid picture of different kinds of food and especially sweets of our country. Okay, so let's do this true false, dear students. I have written the answers here. Let's see the questions first. 1 number, our foods are rich because they have a lot of oil in them. So this is false. Okay, see, our foods are, the correct answer is our foods are rich because they have a lot of oil. Sorry, here spices will be in the answer. Okay, spices. Number 2, we get protein mostly from fishes. Fish. So this is true. Number 3, on Pohela Boishakh, the traditional food is steamed rice and fried hilsa. So there is something missing here, so it is false. The correct answer is on Pohela Boishakh, the traditional food is steamed rice soaked in water and fried hilsa. Okay, steamed rice soaked in water, which is panta. Number 4, Pitha Utsav takes place almost all the year round in Bangladesh. It is also false. Pitha Utsav takes place during winter season. Number 5, sweets are not much appreciated by the people of Bangladesh. It is also false. Sweets are very much appreciated by the people of Bangladesh. And dear students, D number is your HW. The exercise D number. This is your HW. I am writing here again. Lesson 5, exercise D is your HW. Okay. So this is the lesson for today, dear students. I hope you have understood both of the lessons. So do the HW properly and stay well. Thank you.